Good afternoon,
Good
all
afternoon.
of you.
Now just look, round it off. It is given up to 3 decimal places. Acha, up to 3 decimal place means if it is written 3 decimal place, that means definitely we need to do up to 4th decimal place. After that, exactly, after that we have to round it off till 3. Yes, Tom. So just you have to divide it. Acha, just look at, let me cover this. Okay. Now just look at this. It is given 127 divided by 28. Yes. It will be much better if you do cut cancellation, then you start. It will be much better if you make it simplest form. But if you can't do, you can do directly just normal division. Understood, Tom? Okay. Basically, you have to do the division. That's why I do it first. I am just doing it. By 28. Okay. Okay, 127, it is over there. Now 28 into, if we do 3, then it will be 2 less. It will be 2 less. So if we take 28 into 4, now just check which one is nearest to 127. Just check. 4, exactly. Yes, 5. Show me it 5. Achha, 4. Okay, 4, exactly. So we will take 4 over there and it will be 112, right? Now just normal subtraction. Basically, it is normal division, okay? Even I don't need to explain. It is normal division. Now after subtracting this, look, this one will come 5 and this is 115. Now 15 is less than 28. As it is decimal, we need to find out. So we have to put decimal. We can't write this one quotient, this one remainder, okay? We have to continue the process. Exactly, point, good. Point and put a 0 over there, okay? Yes, so all of you? Okay. Now it is 150. So definitely if we take 4, it will be 112 though. But it is 150. So we have to take one more place. 5, exactly. 5. Now just let me clear it. But don't look at the answer. Just do it yourself. I am giving you time. 5. All of you just do it. 5. Okay, good. It will be 140. Show Jasish, I need to show you the answer. No, acha, okay. Ashmita is there. Ashmita, I need to show you the answer. Shuhana, are you doing? Okay. This is normal division. That's why I'm not going to explain. Also, I am showing you the answer. Just look at this. All of you done up to 4th place? All of you completed this? Even yesterday, I explained about this decimal division because 5A done yesterday. So I'm not going to explain this one again. But if you need the explanation, then tell, I'll definitely do. Done, all of you? Debolin, Divyanka, Amit Rajit, Junaid is not present today. Oh, acha, yes, Junaid is there. Okay, okay. Completed this one. Now just let me explain this part. This part. All of you completed this division. No need to continue this. After 4th place, just we should stop over there. Okay. Now look, it is given 4 decimal 5357. we have to write the answer up to 3 decimal place. So which one is 3 decimal place? This one, thousands. Exactly, it will be 6. Good. Okay. Now just let me explain for others also. Okay. Now it is 7. The immediate right digit is 7. It is 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 with this 3 decimal place, that is with 5. So it will be 4.536. Got to all of you? Understood? Completed? Shomajit, if completed, then start the next one. Acha, no, not the next one. Number C will be your homework. Look, here it is given number C. Today you will do this at home. Okay? Now just look at number D. It is given by 19 we have to divide. Look, it is 247.529. By 1 at first we are taking, it will be 19, then minus, yes, Tom. Subtraction, it will be 5. This 7 will come over there. Yes. Then by 3, 319 is 57. Now look, if we do the subtraction, it will be 0, Tom. 0. Yes. Then again we have to, at this point we will go in the quotient over there. Now this 5 will come out here. But after taking the 5 number, after taking this number, also look, this 5 is less than 19 now. Again we have to take one more number, these 2. That's why we have to put a 0 over there. Yes or no? This is the rule of division. As look at this, after taking this 5 also, it is less than 19 now. So again we have to put the 0 and we have to take the next number also. This step is clear to you, all of you? Okay. Now 52. 19 2s are 38. Now do the subtraction. 38, it will be 14. It will be 14. Yes. Okay. Now 14 is less than 19. So this 9 will again come. Yes, Tom. Now by which number? By 7. 719 is 133. Yes. So I have taken by 7. It will be 133. Now just do the subtraction. As it is given 3 decimal place, so we have to continue up to 4. Okay. It will be 16. Now by using this decimal point, we can put a 0. Suppose we need one more 0. Then we have to put another 0 over there. By using what decimal, we can take 0 one time. Yes or no? Yes, Tom. Now just look 160. Then by 8 it is 152. No need to just do continue it. Just stop here. Stop. We should stop here because we have got up to 4th decimal place. Now what to write in the answer? The quotient up to, at first write the answer. The quotient is this one. Then up to 3 decimal place, write the next answer. The answer. Okay. The actual answer. Okay, done. All of you completed? All of you completed? Okay, just show me. Divyanka, Shomajit. Show me the copy. Show Jashish. If you have not completed, okay. I'm waiting, huh? Just do it first. Achha, those were, yes, Divyanka and Shomajit, I have checked. Achha, now Ifshita, Amitrajit, Junaid. Oishi, Orithro, Trisha. Okay, good. Shuhana Tuhinur. Ashmita Debolin. Debolin, okay. Ha, yes. Acha. Then Orpon Sridhati, Rifa Soham. Riazuddin, Safin, Anushka and Sneha, turn on your video and show me the copy. Okay, done. So Ashmita completed. Good. I am moving for the next one. Okay. The next one means next question. Number 6. This is also normal division. Okay. This is also normal division. Understood? Now just look at this. First one is given 1 whole. First one is given 1 whole 24 by 57. Achha, there are two processes. Just let me clear. First, we need to, you can cut and cancel and make it small. By 3, it will go and it will be 3, 8, 3, 19. Yes. So it will be 1 whole 8 by 19. All of you, it is clear, Tom? First, just do it. 3. Achha, it is 1 whole, huh? 1 whole 8 by 19. All of you done this? Now, just one more thing, let me explain. You can just do 19 1 is 19, convert this mixed fraction into improper, right? It is 1 whole 8 by 19, so that will be 19 1 is 19 plus this 8, right? It will be 27 by 19. Just look at this. Yes? All of you, it is clear, so? Trisha, not clear? Not clear, okay. Just look at this. It is given 1 whole 24 by 57, so now this 1 we cannot do anything, but here we can do cut cancellation. Just in the rough, do it 24 by 57. Both are divisible by 3, na? Both are divisible by 3. So we can cut it by 3. 3 8 24. 3 19 57. So it will be 8 by 19. Yes or no? Now it is clear to all of you. So basically this will be is equal to, it will be 1 whole 8 by 19. Then we are making it basically small. If you do in the normal way, look, I have done in normal way. That is also correct. Okay, you can do it. But basically, if we convert it into a small number, the calculation will be more easy. Huh? Calculation will be easier. Now just look, all of you done up to this? Now convert this into mix. Convert this into mix. Look, it will be 27 by 19. It will be 27 by 19. Now just let me clear it. Wait. Look at this. Basically, I have done here in the normal process, na? Yes, so now just do it. You can do it in the normal process, basically. But in this way, if you want to do this in this way, then right now, no problem. But if you have done in this way, then this one is your homework. Both the process you need to learn, okay? I am explaining in this way, okay? As this one is already done for you. Now just look at this. It is 27 and we are dividing it by 19. 19 1 is 19, right? Then 8 will come. Yes, Tom. Okay, then by putting this point, we have to put 1 0. Okay, understood or not? Now we have to take 4. 4 19 is 76, right? It will be 7 4. Yes, Tom. By using this, with the help of this decimal point, we have to take 1 0. Now 19 2s are 38. Just do the subtraction. 38, then it will be 2. Then by using this decimal point, we have to take 1 0. 19, 1 is 19. Then look, 1 is coming over there. By with the help of this decimal, we are taking 1 0. Till it is less than 19, na? Till this 10 is less than 19. Yes, so we have to take one more 0 and we have to take 1 0 over there. It will be 100. Yes, now no need to do the calculation after that. No need to do the calculation after that because here we have got 4th place. Look, 4th place decimal. Understood? So now again it will be 5 1995. No need to do this because we have already got 4th place. All of you, this one is clear? If yes, then shake your head. Okay. Okay. Now I am just clearing the board. All of you written this or not? Just again, not written, so just is acha, okay. Decimal, take a 0. Don't worry, I am doing, huh? This is 4, huh? Not 9. Just do it fast. Achha, as it is 1 by using one decimal and 1 by using this 0. No need to continue here. Just stop. Stop over there. Huh? Done to? Shaujasi is completed? Okay. Trisha, Ashmita, Amitrajit. Devolin, done. You can't see the board properly, Devolin. Okay, okay. Shuhana? Okay. Now I am just clearing it. Huh? Now what is the answer? This is 1.4210, right? Now this one is 0 less than 5. So it will remain as it is. The answer will be 1.421. Clear, Tom? Look, I have written. I'll move for the next one. Okay. Number B. Look at this. This is normal, but here I applied one process. Just look at this. If we apply this rule, it will be very much easy. Okay. What? Just look at this. It is given, all of you look at the board. 28 divided by 30. No need to divide it by 30. Even we can cut it. It will be 14 and 15. Don't do this. Huh? Do not do this. Why? Because if in the denominator there is 0, it will be more easy calculation. Okay, the calculation will be easier. So just keep it same. Huh? It is given 28 by 30. So just do one step. 28 divided by 3 into 10. 30 means what? We can easily write 3 into 10. Yes, so now keep this 10 as it is. Keep it same, okay? Keep 10 as it is. It will be 28 divided by 3 into, we are writing 1 by 10. Yes, so we can write this because 28 means if there is nothing, that means 28 into 1. All of you, this one clear? All of you just shake your head if yes. Okay, acha. Trisha, not clear. Okay, acha. Let me explain again. 28 by 30. So just look at the board. Huh? It is 28 means we can easily write the 28 into 1 because by 1 we can multiply any number, and it is in 30 you can write 3 into 10. Now this step is clear, Trisha. Okay, now just look. We are breaking it. 28 by 3, this first one, and this second one. 28 by 3 into 1 by 10. Just keep it same, huh? This one, do the division. Just do this division. Look, I have done. 28 by 3. 3 9 27. Just do it. 1 will come by putting this decimal 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 will come 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 will come 0. 3 3s are 9. Again this 1 0. 3 3s are 9. No need to do this. Up to this clear to all of you? All of you, this one clear? Yes, Divyanka, you have any question? Yes, basically you want to ask that no need to take fourth place here, as here is 110, right? No, acha, okay. Acha, just let me complete it, let me finish it, then I'm coming, huh? Okay. Now just look at this. This division, just do it. It is done over there. Now by 10 already it is over there now. So by 10 we have to now, if in the denominator suppose there is 1 0, so point will move one place before. This concept you know to. Suppose 2.7 into 10, as there is into and 1 0 is there, point will move to the right side. Suppose 2.71 divided by 10. It is 1 0 is in the denominator, it is division, so it will move one place to the left. Okay, this is the rule. Now done. All of you just do it. Completed. Divyanka, just let me complete 6 all sums, then I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. Ipshita also, those who have problem, Debolin also, I'll come. Before that, just let me finish sum number 6. Huh? Acha, it is clear to all of you though. Now just next one. Number C. It is normal division. This will be your homework. This will be your homework. Okay. Now I am moving for number D. Number D and E. Just look at this. The number D. Achha, I am also making you learn one new process. Just look at this. All of you listen to me very carefully. It is 5 whole 6 by 7. So we can write this one. It is fraction. We can write in this way: 5 plus 6 by 7. Yes or no? Do you know this or not? It is already done in class 4. In class 4 done to Debolin, you don't know. Achha. Suppose in a whole number in it is given, suppose 2 whole 3 by 5. Huh? That means we can break it into 2 parts. It will be 2 whole. In the name it is given 2 whole, and this part 3 by 5th part. Basically this, suppose just like, look, if we add them 2 plus 3 by 5, just you can check. It will be 5. So look, 5 2s are 10 plus 3. It is 13 by 5. Then if we divide it, it will be 2 whole 3 by 5 na? Yes or no, Debolin? Oh, Debolin is not understood. Acha, fraction was there so in class 4. Just look at this. It is given 5 whole 6 by 7, right? Now look, it means basically 5 plus 6 by 7. Why? Just look, this one, if we convert it into improper, just look at this. If we convert it into improper, what will be the answer? 5 7 35 plus 6. It will be 41 by 7. Yes or no? Yes. So now we are also doing this side. Huh? This one, 5 by nothing means what? 1. 5 by nothing means 1. Now what will be the LCM of this 1 and this 7? Definitely 7. 7. Now as it is 1 over there, so 1 7 is 7. By this 7 we have to multiply this 5. 5 into 7, the upper one will be 35, plus as 7 is over there, here is also 7. So 1 into 6, it will be 6. Yes or no? Debolin? Trisha, Shaurjashish, yes, to. Acha, now just if we add them, just look at this. This one will be what? 41 by 7, yes or no? Both are same. Just look at this. They boli both are same to. So now understood. That's why we can break it into this way. For any mixed fraction, okay? Suppose it is given 13 whole 2 by 9. Then also we can write it will be 13 plus 2 by 9. Understood or not? Okay. Ipshita, she is your sister. Brother, acha. She is also doing class 5 sums, mathematics, right? Acha, okay. Now just let me come back. Huh? Now the number D. Acha, we can easily write 5 whole. All of you just do it. This one is equal to 5 plus 6 by 7. Okay? Just do it. After that, we'll just convert this into decimal. No need to convert this 5. Okay? Clear? Now in the graph, just show it. You need to show it. Huh? Just divide 6 by 7. Acha, 6 is less than 7. So, first 0 point, then we will take 1 0. 7, 8, 56. Just do it. Why we are breaking in this way? Because this calculation will be more simple. Huh? Understood? So, now just look. It will be 4 is coming. By using this point, again we are taking 0, 5, 7, 35. Yes, Tom. Now just look. 5 will come. Again by using this 0, 7, 7, 49. All of you are doing this. Now again put a 0 and 7, 1 is 7. This one will be 3. Up to this, all of you done? This one completed, all of you? Debolin done? Ipshita? Trisha done to? No, I'm waiting, okay? Now just look at this. If you get disconnected, then join again, huh? Before the next class, don't worry. You will get relief, okay? Before the next class. But just connect again if you get disconnected. Now just look at this. Done to this one. This rough side you have done. This division all of you completed. Shuhana completed. Amitrajit, Tuhinur, Anushka, Shaurjash is not done. Done. Okay. Look, now I am just removing it off. After that, what will you write? Look, already in the first line you have written 5 plus 6 by 7. And in the graph you have shown the division. Yes, so Somojit, yes. Now in place of 6 by 7, what have you got? 0.8571, yes or no? Just now you have done so. So just in place of this, put this one. So it will be 5 plus 0.8571. All of you clear this one? Now just add them. You can add this. Yes, Tom. Basically, in this way, if you do, the calculation will be more easy. So it will be 5.87. Sorry, 8571, right? Now correct up to 3 decimal place. It will be 5.856. All of you done up to this? All of you done? Now the normal process you will do in home. I explained this process. So that normal process, that one is equal to 5 7 35 plus 6 41 by 7. Now this normal division you will do in home. That will be your homework. Understood? So all of you, what happened? Shomojit, Shuhana, Divyanka, am I audible to you? Okay, okay. This normal process is your homework, okay? Now let me solve the next one. Number E. Number E. Look at this. Here also look. We have break it into 3 plus 7 by 9. Now show this division in the rough side, in the right side. Okay, 7 by 9. 0 decimal, there will be 1 0. Now just look. Then it will be 7 9 63, right? Again this 7 will come. Again 1 0. Yes. 7 9 63. Again 7 0. Again 7 9 63. 7 9 63. All of you done? Acha, it will be 763. Okay, done though? Done. Now in place of this 3 plus, we can write this one 0 point in place of 7 by 9. 7777. Yes, so it will be just 3.7. Acha, it is very much easy na. Basically a new rule you have learned, a new rule, and it will be very much helpful for class 6 7 in the higher class. It will be very much helpful. Okay, now 3 decimal place, up to 3 decimal place it will be 3.778. just this is the answer. Write it first. Completed. Okay, done. I'll move for the next one. Achha, number 7 is very much easy. There are 4 questions. Even yes, Divyanka, I am coming. Wait. I am coming. I am going to unmute all of you, and then Divyanka, I am coming. Okay. Achha, if you get disconnected, join again only for 2 minutes. Okay. Suppose it is coming 81. Wait a minute. It is coming 81 divided by 57, right?
Yes, ma'am. 57.
Now there, look, this one is also divisible. Both are divisible by 3, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So the upper one numerator will be 27 and denominator will be 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So after
Yes,
that, you can do the division. Yes, no problem. If you can do from here, it is also correct. If you just make it at first simplest form, then you do the division, it is also correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now probably we will get disconnected. Okay, it is done 40 minutes. So all of you, I told you to, if you get disconnected, just join again, huh?